Hey, it's Marco and welcome to today's video. I'm going to show you how to create a product in Stripe. But before I begin with this video, please subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically I'm in the test mode and you have all of different things right over here. So basically what I would do is go to search and type in product. And then click on the product catalog, create a product. And it will lead you to this page over here. So you can give it name, let's just call it test to you. You can add description, this is for whatever. Then you have this product text code, price information, it can be standard pricing, package pricing, etc. You can put in the price, you can change the currency, you can add even more currencies. Will it be a recurring, which basically means like a subscription, or will it be one time? You can also do it that way. If it's recurring, you can select the billing period, the usage, and that usage can be metered. And once you're done, you will just click on save product at the top right, and that will be it. Or you can just click save and add more to create even more products. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.